You know when it's time to buy something? When the pressure is on for someone to sell something, and that's just what Ford and Seth have done. Ford has came out with employee pricing because of the tariffs, and Seth says to make it better than that for a limited time. Not only will you get below employee pricing on the best American-built trucks and SUVs, but we'll give you more money for your trade too. It's even more amazing with Seth's promise of engines and oil changes for life on anything you buy. Get to the all-new amazing Seth Wadley Ford Aveda and experience the real difference.